So, in setting up this live, I realised that all my previous lives have been set to private when I'm live. Tell me you're a newbie without telling me you're a newbie. So we'll see if that makes a difference today. Or more importantly, when I upload it later on YouTube, if the chat will be active. Because it's been telling me for the last two lives that there was a conversation. Oh, I can see my crow friend. Probably get my morning stash. I forgot that I was here this morning. John Boy camera is misbehaving. There we go. Little chat dog. Hope you are enjoying the artistic view. Oh, I could see a wee squirrel. I wonder if it's my same squirrel friend. Hey, Squirrely. Oh, you look like you've got more fluff than my little Scrappy-Doo friend. Oh, I can see another squirrel. Hi! I'm giving a wee eyeball. You want to come get the snacks? Oh, and I see a little birdie. I'm just giving a right good eyeball. Hello. How are you doing? Gonna come get some snacks? What are you thinking? How about it? Come get some snacks. Yeah?